This is how to change the air filter on your Kawasaki Bayou. This one's a 2001, but they're all going to be pretty similar. So you have your latch right here that you pull up on the left side of the bike. Put your seat aside, and then right here sits your air box. So you're going to undo these clips. Pretty easy to do. This one's a little bit stuck. Alright, so I got that one undone. Then you're just going to pull this cover off, and then that's where your air filter sits. So you're going to need your Phillips screwdriver. And there's going to be one screw right here. You're going to undo this one, and you're going to undo this one. Make sure you got the right size head so you don't strip anything out. So undo this until it pops out. And I set it right here, little spot. And all you have to do is it just kind of shimmies off. Sometimes it hasn't been changed in a while. It might be kind of stuck on there. So just give it a couple good pulls, and then it pulls off. And then when you get your new one, just slip it back on, just like that. Line this hole up. And you're going to take and you're just going to screw that right back down onto there. Just like how it came off. Pretty easy. And then you're going to take and you're going to tighten up your other one as well. So it's only a couple minute job, and then you'll be all set to go. And then make sure to put your airbox cover back on. So it just sits back down on here like this. Make sure you don't get your little brass things in the way. Do these, you don't crush them. And then push it down, make sure it's sitting snug on there, and then just latch everything back on. And that's how you change your air filter.